So this is the Huawei IdeaHub board, in which we solve a few powerful issues in daily operations. Some of them are actually hidden. For example, blue light. Working with a screen a long time, especially for children and students in class, is a huge brain drainer. And a few ways of solving that is with software or with hardware. Hardware is most stable. For example, with glasses. You put on your glasses and it takes away the blue light, and that allows you to be more healthy when working with a screen like this. But sometimes you forget your glasses, and then there is an option for software like on your smartphone.
But I remember when I turn on the icon for mode on my phone, the screen turns yellow, right? So it is always hard for me to make a choice between accurate color display and eye protection.
And in return, when you see that the screen is changing from colors, you're changing the colors back, which means you're bypassing actually the function what it is there for, which is to protect your health. So this is what we did. We took the hardware function and the software capabilities into an embedded hardware enhancement built in the screen. So this screen automatically adjusts background light and takes away the harmful blue light into harmless blue light. And that makes it more easy and more focusing to work with.
Can we prove this? Can we make it visible?
We have obtained a test certification from TÜV in Germany, which is one of the highest test institutions in Europe for these kind of certifications. So we solved the problem of low blue light with embedded technology.